Hello, my name is David Oisamoje. Welcome to another t-shirt design tutorial on Canva. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-shirt Design. Without wasting much of your time, I just want to go straight right to it. So let's open canva.com. Yes, we are designing this on Canva. I also do Photoshop t-shirt design, but most of you enjoy my Canva t-shirt design. If you want me to do more Photoshop t-shirt design, let me know in the comments. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed. Please, I would like to beg you straight from the beginning, please watch this video to the very end if you want to get value out of it. If you are here to learn, if you clicked on this video to learn something new, to increase your skills, please watch this video to the end. So without wasting much of your time, let's click on create a design, custom design. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel. Create design is going to open a new layer, as you can see. So we'll just wait for it to open. Once it's opened, we just move on to the next stage. The next stage will be to import our design. So we'll come to upload image. So this one is going to be also now. Okay, this is it. We'll just bring it in to our design, or to our Canva. This space is called a Canva or a layer, depending. If you are used to Photoshop, you call it a layer. As you can see, it's uploading. So we'll just wait for it to upload. Once it's done uploading, then we are good to go with our design. We'll just click on it. Please, if you are watching me for the first time, please, I have a lot of tutorials on my channel. It's about 32 up already, or 31. This would make it 32. So please, if you've not watched the remaining, please, I'll just advise you go through. As you can see, this is 31 episodes. I have a lot of episodes, as you can see. So you can just scroll through my channel and watch as much as you want. If you can watch all this, I'm guaranteeing you are going to be super good in t-shirt design. And this t-shirt design make money on Redbubble. You can make a lot of money on Redbubble with a lot of designs. So without wasting much of time, let's go straight to today's design. So I'll just click on this. It says also now, chill later. If you support that, like this video, also now, chill later. If you support that word, that sentence, if you support it, if it reads a lot of meaning, then let me know in the comments. Leave me a comment, like the video if you support it. So now you can see this design. You can get people to design for you. I make my designs myself. Majority of my designs I make them myself. So if you want me to design for you, just let me know down in the comments. If you want me to design for you. But you can also find your designs online. You can go to sites like Flat Icon. Let me show you that. You can go to sites like Flat Icons. This is it. Free vector icon. It's called flaticon.com. To get your design, all you need to do is just search here for the kind of concept you want. But please always remember to give credit. Always remember to give credit when you use their design for free. If you're a pro, you don't need. If you're a pro user, you don't need to give credit. But if you're a free user and you're using any of the elements from here, please give them credit. So let's go back to our design. Now we have our design. Also now, chill later. So I just want to add a little something to it. So I'll go to elements. Let's wait for element to open. As you can see. So I'll just click on this, it brings it in. I'll just reduce it, clicking on my left mouse keyboard to drag this down. So it's box. I'll just make sure it's at the middle. Yeah, it's at the middle. Okay. It says also now, chill later. So we're good to go. So now I'll change the color of this box. To do that, I'll just click on this. Come over to this part, just pick a color. I will not use black because I want it to be on a black shirt, so I won't use black. So I'll just use this. Then for my final part of this, I'll just insert a text to this. So I'll just find a good text. Just find a good fancy text I can use. So just use this engaged. As you can see, I'll increase it. To increase, I'll over my mouse to this edge, left mouse click, drag outwards. So you can see there are two texts here and I don't want that, so I'll just ungroup, click outside, come back in, click on this, delete, press the delete button on my keyboard, so I'm left with this. So all I'll just do is put my word, which is supposed to be just be 100%. So it's just supposed to be 100%. Then I'll make it slant like the way these other ones are. So just make it this. So I'll go back to this and just reduce this a bit. Now I'll take this over. So now we have that. So now I'll just come again and come to elements. So elements, shapes, just reduce this. Make it like this. So I'll change the color again. I think I'll make it orange this time. Okay, so with that I'm okay. So now we have our design. Let's chill 100%. So now the next step is for me to save it. As you can see, I'm using the free version of Canva Pro. If you want the free version, just let me know in the comments. But if you're okay with this free version, just know one thing: all your designs will come with the white background. So mostly you'll be uploading on a white shirt. And remember, on Redbubble, if you want to make sales, you need to be able to place your designs on different colors. You don't expect everybody to like a white. So our advice to get Canva Pro. If need possible, I would advise you to get Canva Pro. It's very important. Just get Canva Pro. It's super cheap, $12. But if you want your first month free, just let me know in the comments and I'll hook you up with that. Super easy. So now I'll just download this. Click on downloads. Prepare my downloads. Once the download is prepared, it's going to download somewhere here. I'm on Windows and I'm using Chrome, as you can see, 100%. PNG. So I'll just show you the design. This is it. So I'll wait for it to load. So this is the design, you can see. So the next step will be for me, for you that don't have the cash to pay for Canva Pro, you don't have the money at the moment to pay for Canva Pro, what I normally do is to take this to Photoshop. I have Photoshop. Photoshop is still a paid software, so if you need Photoshop, you still need to pay for it monthly, but the free version too works. They have a free student version you can download. So I'll just open this in Photoshop. It's easier for me because I'm a designer. I designed this myself, as you can see. You can see I designed this myself. As you can see, I can just put things off and on. You can see I designed this myself. So that's just me. So now I'll just create a new layer. Come to this folded paper, click on that, come to my design. So now just click on my magic word tool. That's this tool that looks like a star. Got the magic word tool. I'll just click on it and click on this white. To select all, I'll just delete, and you can see now the background is gone. But if you notice, the O, the A, and the RC has the white background, so I'll just click on that, delete, click on that, delete, click on that, and I'll delete. So now we have everything totally white, no more white background. So now I can just position this. As you can see, I don't have that white background anymore. So now I'll just save this. I'll just save this as picture, H here. So I'll just save it as PNG. As you can see, I already have the design already, so because of this video I have to do it again. So I'll just click yes and yes again. And now we are done. We are close to the final stage. Please, if you put this extent, please, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. You're super amazing. Thanks for supporting the channel. Please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and let me have your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. So for the final step, is a very important step. If you are promoting your shirt yourself on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, you will want to do this. It's simple. Just come to pictures, markup. You can see, if you've been following my video, you'll see that I've been using this particular markup. To get it, you have to go to freepik.com. They are the owners. They allow you to use it. So I'm teaching with it, so it's free. But just always make sure you give them credit. Always make sure you give them credit when you make use of their designs. So for this, you go to freepik.com and just set t-shirt markup to get that. So now for me, I'll just right click here. I'll go to design here. I'll double tap on this. I'll delete this. And now I'll just bring in my also now design. Come to picture. So now this is it. So I'll just wait for it. Just drag it into my layer. It's going to be super big. I know that because it's high quality. So I'll just reduce it. So I'll over my mouse to this here. Press 3 button, my Alt key button, Shift key button, and left mouse click button. I'll just reduce this a bit. When I'm okay, I'll just press OK. Then I'll save that. It's going to save here. So now I'll just go back to my design. It should appear on my shirt. As you can see, on my shirt, but it's quite small. So Ctrl T and increase that again. So I'll do Alt key button, Shift key button, and left mouse key button. I'll just drag that out a bit. I'll press OK or Enter key button, and I'll save this. Go back to my shirt. You can see it says, but I don't like the color, so to change the color, I'll just come over to this place and just play around with the colors and see if I can find color I love. White. Let me see how white looks. Let me see how black looks. Okay. So black does not look super cool. Okay. So I'll just play around the color. As you can see, the design is ready for us to use. So just save this. So to your right, you see the playlist. If you've enjoyed this video, please just click on the playlist, the Canva t-shirt design playlist you see on your right. Click on it and watch more amazing Canva t-shirt design. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.